Hello friends, welcome to KM Goldstone channel. Today we are going to see a real story which happened to a girl. But before going into the story, I would like to ask you a question that what will be the situation if you are alone in the middle of the forest with no food, no water and you are fully got injured? Whether you can able to survive or not. Yes, here is a true story which happened to a girl who fell from a plane crash and got stuck in the middle of the Amazon rainforest. What happened to this girl? How did she survive? What happened to this girl? Welcome to the story named Juliana the Great Survival Story. In the year 1954, a girl named Juliana who was born to a zoologist family in Germany. Though Juliana was born in Germany, her life was brought up in Peru. Because her parents was working in Peru. When Juliana came to the age of 14, her parents went to Amazon rainforest to perform research on some animals. Hence, as they were as a zoologist, they started to do several research on Amazon rainforest. So along with her parents, Juliana learned many more things about how to survive in forest and so on. After 2 years later, her parents planned Juliana to join a new school which was in Peru City. That too, she started to live in hostel. Then as years passed, Juliana has came to complete her high school, and that was at the time of Christmas season. So Juliana's mother went to the school to take Juliana to her house to celebrate Christmas. So on 20th December, Juliana's mother went to her school. But on 20th December, Juliana refused to go to her house. She requested her mom to take her on 24th December. The reason is because she has dance program on 23rd. So Juliana requested her mom to take her on 24th December. So later on 24th December, Juliana's mom was so happy because as she is going to celebrate their Christmas with her daughter tomorrow. So later on 24th evening, Juliana and her mom went to airport, but they got a great problem that since it was a Christmas season, all the flight tickets got filled. So then after some time, they got a ticket from a flight named Lanza. So Juliana's mother called to her husband and informed that we had a ticket from the flight named Lanza. By hearing to this news, her husband got shocked, telling them that please cancel the ticket because Lanza flight will not be good proper condition and they won't maintain it properly. So he said to her wife that we can celebrate Christmas after 2 days also. You please come by a good flight tomorrow. Juliana and her mother was eagerly waiting to somehow celebrate the Christmas tomorrow. So she refused her husband's saying and started to board into a flight. Juliana and her mother got seated in a flight. The seat belt was tightened. The flight was ready to take off. So on 1971, Juliana with her mother and 84 other passengers, the flight from Lima, Peru started to take off. So, as the journey started to begin, the weather became so dangerous. Juliana and her mother saw a lightning around the plane. They held their hands together and they were unable to speak. Other passengers began to cry and scream. After about 10 minutes, a very bright lightning got hit on the left side of the engine. Juliana's mother said, "That's the end, it's all over." The plane got crashed and was going down. It was a pitch black and the people were screaming. Then the deep roaring of the engines filled their hands. Suddenly the noise stopped and Juliana was outside the plane. She was struck with the seat belt. The whispering of the wind was the only noise that she could hear. She felt completely alone. She lost the consciousness and remember nothing about the plane incident. Later, after 18 hours of the unconsciousness, she got remembered that the plane had broken into two pieces about 2 miles above the ground. So, Juliana slowly stood up and she searched her mother near to the plane, but she couldn't find her mother. She started to shout and scream calling her mother's name, but no way she couldn't find her mother. So Juliana got stuck along in the middle of the Amazon rainforest. So later she started to somehow look some help. She slowly started to walk. She was so afraid that there was nothing to eat. So near to that plane she found some candies and she started to eat that. Then later she started to move so carefully. Each and every step was so challenging to her. The Amazon rainforest is fully surrounded with dense plants and trees. Many dangerous animals like anaconda and many poisonous insects, and with lots of mosquitoes were surrounded in the forest. So each and every step was so challenging to her. While going into the forest, she saw a small stream flowing inside the forest. So many years back, our father had said that if you lost in a forest, the way to find is rivers. So if you follow that, you can reach to some sea where you can escape from it. So Juliana started to follow the small stream. While she was walking along with the stream, the weather was so dangerous. It was heavily raining and fully surrounded with dense plants. As she followed the stream, finally she came to reach the river, where here she got very afraid that many anacondas may live in Amazon forest. At some places she had to swim in the river, and at some places she had to walk along the river. So she started to follow the river. While she was walking at far place, she had a single wood house. So by seeing this, Juliana thought that someone may live inside the forest. So let us go and check near to that house. Then later somehow she reached near to that place. While she went and saw inside the house, she saw that no one was there inside it. Juliana felt so tired and so hungry. So she planned to stay in that house for this night. That she had a hope that someone may come to this house tomorrow morning. So Juliana stayed in that house. Later on morning, Juliana started to hear some humans whispering noise. Later she saw 3 members came to that house. They saw Juliana and asked, "Who is this girl and who are you?" Juliana explained everything which happened to her about the plane crash. So by listening to this, the 3 members took a boat, and where they took Juliana in the boat and started the journey. The boat journey took nearly about 8 hours long. Juliana's health was so weak, so after 8 hours they reached the Lamba station, where later, then after reaching to that place, a local pilot took Juliana to Pucallpa and admitted her in a hospital. So after this, Juliana's health got recovered and many press reporters came to that hospital, where Juliana said everything about that happened to her. The reporters collected all the data regarding this plane, where it is said that only one person got survived in this plane crash, who is named as Juliana. So this was the great story which happened to Juliana, who was faced many dangerous challenges in the Amazon rainforest. So friends, by knowing this story, what did you feel? Please comment me in a comment section. So please share this video to your friends and do get more informative videos. Please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.